This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple strudel from scratch. First, let's master the dough. For an authentic strudel, a thin, elastic dough is absolutely essential. You'll combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with about 1/2 cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and a pinch of salt. Knead this mixture until smooth, then let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This resting period is key for achieving that perfect, stretchable consistency, making it easier to work with later. Next, we prepare the delicious apple filling. For the best results, choose firm, tart apples such as Granny Smith or Honeycrisp. You'll need about 6 cups sliced. Combine these with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/2 cup of plain breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs are a secret weapon, absorbing any excess moisture released by the apples during baking. This ensures your strudel remains perfectly crisp and never soggy, delivering that delightful texture with every bite. Now for the exciting part, assembling your strudel. On a lightly floured cloth, gently stretch the rested dough until it is incredibly thin, almost transparent. This takes a bit of patience but is crucial for the classic strudel layers. Evenly spread your apple filling over about 2/3 of the dough, leaving a border. Then, using the cloth to assist you, carefully roll the strudel tightly from the filled end. This technique creates those beautiful, numerous layers. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your homemade strudel. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the rolled strudel on a baking sheet and brush it generously with melted butter. Bake for approximately 40 to 50 minutes, brushing with more butter halfway through until it's beautifully golden brown and flaky. Let it cool slightly, then dust with powdered sugar. Serve warm, perhaps with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, for a truly delightful dessert experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.